It's already a lot for me to create one video per week or 2 videos per week or whatever you've decided on. How am I going to create shorts on top of that? Have no fear. Is it too late to start a channel in 2023? If you want to know how to do it and how to do it successfully so that you can grow a successful YouTube channel and use it to build a 6 or even 7-figure business, you're in luck because I'm going to get into it right now. Hey, CourtneySanders here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, I'm a full-time online life and business coach, as well as wife and mom. I wear all the hats and do all the things. And there's a good chance that if you're watching this video, you probably first learned about me here on YouTube. And because so many of my clients and just my audience in general see me on YouTube, they see how I'm consistently producing content, they always want to know, should I be on YouTube? Is that something I should do? Is it too late to start a channel in 2023? And so if you're wondering if you should start a channel, I'll give you a hint. My answer is yes. No, it's not too late. And if you want to know how to do it and how to do it successfully so that you can grow a successful YouTube channel and use it to build a 6 or even 7-figure business, you're in luck because I'm going to get into it right now. All right, the first thing you need to do if you want to create a successful YouTube channel in 2023 is that you need to go narrow in a broad niche. And I talk about this in detail in this video here, which is all about whether you should even ditch the niche. And is niching still a thing? Here's a hint. Yes, it is. But you can learn more about that in that video right there. But you want to go narrow in a broad niche, particularly when it comes to building your YouTube channel, because YouTube is a huge platform and there already are so many people creating channels. And so if you want to stand out from the crowd, niching down, going narrow in a broad niche is really going to help. Now notice I'm saying going narrow in a broad niche. The reason I'm saying that is because you don't want to go so narrow that there's like 5 people on planet Earth who would be interested in your videos, right? So if you make sure that you're in a broad niche, whether that's relationships, business, health and wellness, whatever, but you go super narrow inside of that niche, that pretty much guarantees that yes, you can stand out by talking to a very specific target market, but there's still going to be enough people who are interested in that subject matter to actually watch your videos. All right, the next thing that you need to do if you want to build a successful YouTube channel in 2023 and you want to use it to build a 6-figure business is you need to post a minimum of 1 time per week. Now, I know a lot of people get scared to get on YouTube because they see me publishing content Monday through Friday. I publish content 5 days a week, but I grew to this level. When I was first getting started, I just published on YouTube once a week and it made a world of difference for me. Even that 1 time per week was still enough for me to consistently sell my course and consistently attract and enroll clients into my program. So don't sleep on posting once per week. Now, obviously, if you can do more, if you can post twice per week or even 3 times per week, that would be really great. But make sure you're posting once per week. And what I do is I batch record my videos. Yes, even now with these 20 videos that I produce every single month, I still batch record them. I don't, do them every single day. I either do it in one day or I break it up into batches. So I remember when I was posting once per week, it was pretty easy because all I needed was an hour and I shot 4 15-minute videos. So if you have an hour to yourself, go ahead, set that camera up and just knock out all of those videos at one time and then schedule them out so that you can be posting once per week. All right, the next thing you need to do if you want to get started in YouTube on 2023 is you need to be prioritizing shorts. Yes, so YouTube is pushing out short content like crazy. So YouTube Shorts is like, their answer to TikTok or Instagram Reels, and you definitely want to be publishing that. Now, I know that might strike fear because you're like, it's already a lot for me to create 1 video per week or 2 videos per week or whatever you've decided on. How am I going to create shorts on top of that? Have no fear. I actually talk about that in detail in this video, which is the 5 AI tools that you'll want to use in your online coaching business. There's a particular tool that I recommend there that actually uses AI to help cut up your long form videos and turn them into shorts. It's what I'm currently using right now and how I'm getting so many shorts out on my channel. And so I highly recommend shorts because what happens is people might not see your long form content, but they are definitely stumbling on shorts. And so when they see your shorts and they see a few of them and they really like it, they might click on your channel and then see your long form video and then ultimately subscribe. So you want to think about shorts as almost like little soldiers that go out in the YouTube universe and bring you back viewers and subscribers. So don't sleep on shorts. They're really great for your channel. All right, I have more where that came from, but first I want to hear from you. Are you starting a YouTube channel? Share in the comments below. All right, the next thing you need to do if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, and particularly one that will generate 6 figures in your business, is you want to have an offer. Yes, you want to have something to sell. I say this because a lot of people don't realize that YouTube actually doesn't pay that much. I know there's this idea that, oh, I'm going to create all these videos and I'm going to be making so much money in AdSense revenue. But look, I have 43,000 subscribers, which is a decent amount, but it's not even like, you know, the top here on YouTube. But even with 43,000 subscribers, I am only making $1,500 a month. Like, for the record, that's not even enough to pay my video editor who is editing all these videos that I am creating for you, all right? So if I were looking just to the revenue that I'm generating in AdSense here on YouTube, I would be in the negative, all right? I would be losing money essentially. But because I have offers, meaning I have courses, I have coaching programs, YouTube is worth my while because I often attract a lot of clients who watch my YouTube videos and then reach out to me because they want to work with me. So make sure that you are selling something off YouTube to make it worthwhile, even if you're trying to grow your channel in 2023. All right, the next thing that you need to do, and this actually goes along with the previous point that I made about having an offer, is you want to make sure that you are building an email list. Yes, use YouTube to build an email list. Why? Because you're not actually going to make sales on YouTube. You're going to make sales off the platform, particularly inside of your email list. So you typically don't see a lot of creators or a lot of online business owners or coaches selling anything directly in their YouTube videos. Usually they will direct you to where you can join their email list to learn more about them, to develop the relationship, even to download a freebie. And from there, once you're on your email list, then they'll introduce you to the different products and programs that they have, and you can join them if they make sense for you. And I'm definitely no different. I always recommend something for free that my community can download. They'll get on my email list, and then over time, when I have new products, new coaching programs, different things that I'm offering, I can just let them know on my email list. I don't have to create a new YouTube video for every single offer that I have. So make sure that you are using YouTube to build your email list and that you have something to offer your subscribers so that they will want to get on your email list and deepen the relationship with you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are serious about creating a YouTube channel in 2023, make sure you download my free content planning cheat sheet. This is my tried and true method for finding content ideas that I can use not just on YouTube, but on Instagram and all the other places that I am. So if you know that you want to be on YouTube, but you're stuck about what type of content to create, make sure you click the link below to download that cheat sheet. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you can't wait for my next video, make sure you are following me on my podcast, The Courtney Sanders Show, on both iTunes and Spotify. And if you can't wait for my next podcast episode or my next YouTube video, make sure that you are following me on Instagram. It's CourtneyLSanders. I post there basically daily. I share lots of tips, also my life in my stories. Check me out, follow me, and send me a DM. And so with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.